Frequently asked questions about mold inspection in West Palm Beach, Florida. Let's dive into 8 frequently asked questions about mold inspection in West Palm Beach, Florida. 1. What is the cost of a mold inspection? Typically, it falls between $375 to $500, depending on the size of your home. 2. Can a home inspector test for mold? While they can provide a thorough assessment, mold detection isn't their primary focus. It's best to hire certified mold assessors. The cross. 3. How bad does mold have to be to condemn a house? Widespread or extensive mold infestation could lead to condemnation. Each case is evaluated individually. 4. Should I get a mold inspection?
If you suspect a mold problem, it's recommended.
Mold can be a health hazard, and an inspection can guide remediation efforts. 5. Can you sell a house with mold? Yes, but it's crucial to disclose the presence of mold to potential buyers. Addressing the mold issue can make the sale process smoother. 6. Does insurance cover mold damage? By default, a homeowner's insurance policy may not cover mold damage. However, coverage may apply if the mold damage resulted from a covered peril specified in your policy. 7. Is there a device that detects mold? Yes, devices like the Biomatrix Mold Monitor can detect unseen moisture levels that may lead to mold growth. But professional mold inspections are typically more accurate. 8. How do you win a mold case? Gathering evidence, demonstrating negligence or liability, and seeking legal representation are key. Consult with an attorney experienced in mold-related litigation for guidance. Remember, these answers provide general information. It's advisable to consult with professionals in West Palm Beach, Florida, for personalized advice regarding mold inspection and related issues.
Contact a licensed bonded professional mold remediation specialist today. 845-394-5765.